In Python, list pop is a method that removes an item from a certain point in the list. Let's do a quick example to see what list pop does in Python. We'll also see how to pop last element from list in Python. L equals a list with 1, 2, and 3. L dot pop. Print L. If we run this code, we'll see L contains just 1 and 2, so pop removed the last item from the list. Okay, if that's removing the last item, how to pop first element in list in Python? We'll keep our same list and do L.pop with an argument of 0. This argument is the index of the element to remove, hence the 0. If we run this code, we'll see pop removed the first element. Just a note here, this is inefficient on larger lists as the rest of the elements in the list have to shift forward by 1 to fill the empty space. Next, how to pop a specific element from a list in Python. We'll use the list index method for this. Let's keep the print and initial list. L.pop of L.index of 2. This says, give me the index of the element 2, then remove the item at that index. If we run the code, we'll see the 2 removed. Okay, what does list pop return in Python? If we remove the middle line and just make the print be L.pop and run that code, we'll see pop returns the element it removed, 3 in this case. Last, can you pop empty list in Python? Let's try it. L equals empty list. L.pop. If we run the code, we'll get an error that is literally named for not being allowed to do this. In Python, list remove is a method that removes the first occurrence of an item in a list. First, we'll answer, how does Python list remove work? And we'll answer, how to remove an element from a list in Python. Let's do an example. L equals a list with 1, 2, and 3. L.remove 2. Print L. If we run the code, we'll see it removed 2. Next, how to remove last element from list in Python. L equals a list with 1, 2, and 3. L.remove of L at index -1. If we print L and run the code, we'll see the 3 removed. Do note, though, this method is inefficient relative to L.pop. Okay, what happens if list remove doesn't find the value? L equals a list with 1, 2, and 3. L.remove 0. If we run this code, you'll see a value error. Last, how to remove second occurrence of item in Python. It just so happens list remove itself can't do this, so we'll use pop and index in combination. We'll start by getting the first index of 1. First equals L.index of 1. L.pop of L.index of 1 in first plus 1. If we print L and run the code, we remove the second one in the list. Like and subscribe to learn more.